Will crypto. Today in this video we will talk about Bitcoin on an hourly basis, on a 1 day time frame, on a weekly chart as well, and I'll explain you about every single thing about the global market, what we can expect from the Bitcoin, and what could be the possible next move of the market. Some key hidden information will also be provided to you in the end of this video. So do make sure to watch the video till the end without skipping any part, because it could be very informative and you can make a good sums of profit in the upcoming days or hours. Alright guys, let's get into it. First of all, we are talking about Bitcoin on a on a daily time frame. Okay, so daily time frame, the previous video I have informed you that this was a inverse head and shoulder pattern. So inverse head and shoulder pattern are usually bullish, and we are already watching out the same kind of projection that I have provided you. We would have consolidated the last time we were right here, and then after we have consolidated, we have got one red candle, and then after one another green candle, and now the resistance is getting weaker and weaker, and the Bitcoin price is trying to hold it above it. Okay, previously any of this time, if you see, the Bitcoin price was not at all able to hold above this level, right? You can see that we were not able to hold above this level. Right now the price of the Bitcoin is trying to hold above this level. That is very good sign for the bulls. Okay, there are a few more things that are going inside the market, as there's one more news that is coming out from the fact that they have recently printed out huge sums of money to bail out banks. Probably this was a bullish sign for the crypto market, as more of the money, new money will come inside the market, new money will come inside the Bitcoin, and that's how we can expect a new run, a bull run can be expected in the coming days. Okay, however, we still need a daily and a weekly close above this level for more confirmations. Let me take you on a I've just removed all this so that you can understand things much better. I'll take you on a weekly time frame, and I'm gonna make you understand what exactly is going around. Okay, I'll also remove this because it had done its part. So the weekly time frame, we can also see that the price is still trying to break out this level. As soon as we see a breakout, we can see impulsive move from the Bitcoin. Another thing that was very dominating the Bitcoin was MA 200. Okay, we have never crossed below MA 200, normal moving average 200 on a weekly time frame. So if you go in the past and if you check, ever since we have touched the MA 200, we have got a straight ahead bulls are taking over the market. You can see it previously many time, right here. So right now, in this situation, in this year, what we have seen is for the first time in the Bitcoin history, we have broken below the MA 200 on a weekly time frame. Right now it's trying to reclaim this level. As soon as we're gonna reclaim this level, more of the people inside the market will get bullish, and the more of the money will gonna get flow inside the market. Many of the people right now been waiting for the time being in which the Bitcoin will reclaim the moving average 200, simple moving average 200. And if I make you understand, there is EMA, exponential moving average, that is yellow line. Okay, the simple moving average is a green line, and the exponential moving average is the yellow line. We are getting right now, what we are experiencing is, we are experiencing a break above. We have previously tried it, but right now we are trying to break above this level. If we get a confirmation on a weekly time frame and getting a retest on the next week, I believe we can go exponential in the coming this month. I also informed you this month could be very bullish. I'll explain you about that in some other video, but as of now, what is concerning is we need a closure about it, and soon if we see it, we can first grab our targets nearly around $29,000, $30,000. So this was Bitcoin on a weekly and a daily time frame. Let me take you on a daily time frame for the E-mini futures, because this has a correlation with the Bitcoin, because this is a global market. What the global market is doing as of now, I have informed you this thing multiple times, that we have got a break above this previous resistance. You can see that this was acting as a resistance for a very long time, As soon as we get a break above it, the price was not sustaining and it got a retest, multiple retest to these levels. Okay, why we got a retest, I don't want to explain you that, because we have seen multiple FUDs, multiple negative news inside the market, bank, and lot more from the Fed, because the Fed has been increasing the rates, due to which we have seen such kind of drop inside the market. Now might be the Fed will, if they are trying to improvise the rates, it could be 25 basis point, or it could be flat, nothing will be hired up in the upcoming meeting. And that's why they already have printed up, and so we have seen a positive movement inside the global markets as well. Yesterday we have seen this movement and we have broken this downtrend that I've made. So on a 4 hourly time frame, we have got a good bullish momentum engulfing candle, which is showing that the market can turn upside from here. So overall, in my opinion, the market is still bullish. Okay, we will be looking for some long opportunities rather than looking for some shorts. I'll also gonna inform you some key things how to trade in this cycle, which is this cycle. If you want to comment in this video that we need to get an information about the current cycle of the crypto market. If you want to know what is the current cycle of the Bitcoin crypto market, I'll let you know in the different video, in which you would be able to increase your gains. Okay, because you will be taking the right decisions, and that's how you would be able to make a right amount of gains in the coming month. This is very important, guys. If you want that, all of you need to like this video and let me know in the comment section, and then and only then I will be making a separate video on that. Coming up with the next, I shared this signal to my premium family. We have got a descending triangle and which broken out upside, and I had my targets being set up for $26,400. You can see that it had went up pretty well. It made a flag again in this range. It was been consolidating in this range, and then this morning we have seen an upside move inside the price of Bitcoin, which is very good, which is showing that there is bullishness inside the price of Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is stabilizing above the previous resistance level that was $25,200, guys. So which is very bullish as of now. I will recommend, as of now I can also see that the Bitcoin price is forming a double top at this range. If you see, it's forming a double top, but I will not gonna recommend to make shorts until unless we don't see good rejection inside the price of Bitcoin. I would not gonna recommend you shorts, guys. Might be there might be other channels that might gonna recommend you for the shorts, because I believe the momentum in the market, the bulls are trying to take over right now. And if this area of resistance, that is $25,200, is being taken over, I believe we can see much more higher price inside the price of Bitcoin and rest of the market. Coming up with the next, that will make you understand which is the range that you can look for a resistance right now. Right now there is no resistance over here. The only resistance, the previous short setup that I took, that gave me 730% profit. Now I believe there is a resistance area at $26,700. But if you're trying to short Bitcoin before that, I tell you, you are taking a knife at your just if you're trying to short Bitcoin before $26,700, then this is very bad. I believe you can win it, but I probably think, this is my perspective, that bulls had taken over the range right now, and trying to short would be very, very, very risky, guys. So I will look for some dips where I will look for long opportunities. I have got my long right here at the bottom, which I'm still holding, guys. Why to close it? Because I can see there is much more potential in the upcoming days. So I won't gonna close that setup as of now until I see a sharp drop. I have set my trailing stop loss, so there's nothing to worry about. However, this is the range in which you can book off your scalping long opportunities. That could be at $26,700. If you are getting a break above it, the next possible targets for the Bitcoin could be 28,000 to 29,000. Very easily we can grab up that level. Coming up with the next that I will talk about in this video is going to be Ethereum. Ethereum is being right now been consolidating inside the boarding wedge. how like this is not kind of bullish pattern, but bull flag was a bullish pattern, but it is been consolidating. We can determine that. You can see that by multiple tests to these levels, you can determine that it's a boarding wedge, you same as the bottom. Okay, so the next resistance area for the Ethereum is going to be $1,800. Okay, so within this range, I would not going to recommend you to short the market right now. I'll also going to let you know I'm sorry, why I'm not looking for a short, because right now the Bitcoin dominance is taking over, and it's also forming same as a Bitcoin double top. Previously it had worked out pretty well, but right now I don't believe that it will work out, because the momentum is pretty high, the money is flowing inside the Bitcoin, and that's why the Bitcoin dominance is growing pretty fast. Coming up with the next that makes me think that the bulls are taking over is because the funding rate right now on all the exchanges is getting negative or almost at the zero levels, like 0.000 levels. Okay, which is more likely a bull sign. If we're getting more of the negative funding rate, I can expect that the price of the Bitcoin will keep on rising until we see a positive funding rate inside the price of Bitcoin. Okay, the next thing that I also see is there are many short been open recently, but I also see, you can also see that, yeah, the 9 BTC short positions has been open. However, it's been changing by time to time. You can see all the exchanges short positions and long positions right here. So I've been determining this for a while now, and as of now I can see a short, many short positions is being opened up, which is making me concerning for this level. Previously we have made a lot of profit, but guys, you need to understand right now, if you are willing to short and if you are a risk taker, then as I informed you, this is going to be the range that I look for, is going to be $26,700 to $500 would be a range where I can pick a little amount of shorts if I see a price getting rejected from that levels. Otherwise I will look for dips and I will buy it. Or on the other case, if I get a daily closure above this level and a retest to this level at $25,200, I'm surely going to be looking for some longs inside the Bitcoin. And that's all about it, guys. I believe you have got enough information for today's and current market situations. And if you like my content, guys, if you love my content, if you are making some profits out of it, please do make sure to like this video, share this video with your friends and family, because that's only going to keep me motivated, guys, to bring out the best out of me and provide you best videos on a daily basis. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.